everyone, I'm Sean and welcome to what I hope is the start of something exciting. I am a personal trainer based in the northwest of England and I'm starting to build an app for a workout tracker and program builder. Now the concept behind this is that some people might not know what to do in the gym or what to do next, and I want to kind of breach that to where the point where if you're going to the gym, you know exactly what to do on any given day. The big inspiration for this, for me, is that I've been in the industry now for well over 10 years, and I seem to run into the same problems where people don't know what to do. A lot of people come to me when they don't know what to do. And I just want to make it as comfortable a place for people to work out as humanly possible. And I want to reach a wider audience for that. Now, it bears in mind, I have got absolutely no experience in coding or app development at all. So that's why one of the big motivations for this is to build a community and also learn some new skills. And that brings me on to this, why I'm doing this video really. I want to have something that's going to keep me accountable so that I can build these new skills going forward and I don't just stagnate as I go along. So the app's core features that we're going to start off with is number 1, logging weights, number 2, generating workouts, and 3, tracking progress. The unique selling points for what I'm trying to develop is something that I've not seen anywhere else, and that is automatic progression with tailored program. But this will create a few problems for me. 2 of those problems being it's working with new technologies, and I'm also working with limited resources on purpose. And also because I do have a full-time job and a family, my time is kind of restricted. So here's the current situation where I find myself is I'm going in, starting off with only my phone, pens and paper. That's all I want to start off with, without any of the things that anyone watching this doesn't already have. That being said, my current limitations being is that I'm not going to start with a laptop and I have no software for that laptop. So that brings me on to the first of the financial situations, the financial limitations being that I need to find the money to get the laptop and the software. And that's going to lead me down the road of finding ways to maybe freelance what I'm doing, selling stuff that I've got at home, or trying to find a way to get donations. And that leads on to the next part, which will be the milestones that I'll be looking for. The first one being getting that laptop and discovering the features for the app. And as a little kind of like side milestone, I also want to see where I can take this channel. So the first 50 subscribers would be a major win going forward. Now, if you've got into this so far, you might be interested to know what my content strategy is. And to start off with, I'm going to try and post as often as I can with the time constraints I do have, which I'm hoping to start off with will be once or twice a week. As for the content that I will be creating, that will be completely down to whatever I'm doing that week. So to start off with, I'll be looking towards the research for the first pages, the opening pages of the app, and also looking into ways that I can go about fundraising for the laptop. And now this is where you guys come in. As I invite you down this journey with me, I encourage you to share, comment, but most importantly at this stage, for anyone watching that has more know than I do, share ideas. Put them down in the comments below. At this point, that's going to be the most valuable way that you can help. I'm excited for this journey because it's something that I've never looked into. It's an area that I have experience in regards to personal training and program building, but totally new in regards to anything techie, not overly techie. So I'm very excited to learn more and also share this with all you guys. So in the next piece of content that I've got coming up, I am going to look into, well, fingers crossed, I'm going to be looking into 3 things. First being researching my tech stack, fund finding, and designing that first screen. If you've paid attention this far, thank you so much already. That's already the most help I could really hope for at this stage. But if you want to keep yourselves involved, follow, subscribe, and turn on your notifications to be part of the journey from day 1.